Hello there, welcome back. Today let's draw a cute rabbit. So grab your pencil, eraser, sketch pens and let's start together. So first draw a slightly tilted line to draw the eyes and then start drawing the eyes. And also leave some gap between them. After drawing the eyes, now let's draw the nose, a small nose. And then let's draw the mouth. After drawing the mouth, now let's draw the face. First, let's draw a U shape. And then draw the eyebrows. So now, let's draw the upper part of the face. After completing the upper part, let's start drawing the ears. Draw the left ear a little bit smaller than the right one. Now let's draw the body. Now let's draw a tail. Do you know what food a rabbit likes the most? Can you guess it? Yes, it's a carrot. And now the rabbit is holding the carrot. Now let's draw some leaves to the carrot. So if you are done with the drawing, now let's start drawing the outline. Use any black pen or a black sketch. So after completing the outline, let's erase it completely and start the coloring. Okay buddies, I hope you liked it. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.